Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to Milo's Science Lab. Today, we're not just telling a story, we're embarking on a science adventure in the garden. Buckle up because we're about to learn how plants grow and, well, glow. Ever wondered how a tiny seed transforms into a towering tree? It all starts with a hidden power, the power of life. Seeds are like tiny treasure chests filled with all the instructions a plant needs to grow. But seeds need a little help to unlock their magic. That's where sunlight comes in. It's like a magic potion for plants, giving them the energy they need to sprout and grow tall. Just like us, plants need water to survive. It travels through their roots like tiny highways, delivering the nutrients they need to thrive. Now, here's the exciting part. Today, we're going to plant special seeds that grow flowers with a secret. They glow in the dark. Isn't that amazing? Let's get our hands dirty. We'll fill pots with soil, our magic ingredient, the seeds, and then give them a good drink of water. As we plant, remember, we're creating a home for our new plant friends. That's all for today, young scientists. But don't worry, this is just the beginning of our glowing garden adventure. In the next episode, we'll watch our seeds sprout and learn even more about the wonders of plant life. So, be sure to subscribe to Milo's Science Lab and get ready to see our garden glow.